There's something timeless about Goodnight Moon. A quiet room, a soft hush, a bunny saying goodnight to everything he loves. Today, I'm putting together a baby shower gift basket inspired by this classic bedtime story. It's cozy, thoughtful, and full of charm, just like the book itself. Whether you're gifting a first-time parent or celebrating a new little one, this Goodnight Moon basket is a sweet way to share the comfort of a story that's been read for generations. I started with a medium-sized rope basket. This one's from Marshall's, but any basket will do. I love choosing something practical so the recipient can reuse it later, like storing baby books or toys. I then added tissue paper as a simple filler to give the basket a little height and cushion. You could also use a small pack of diapers here, something both practical and appreciated. This soft, minky blanket features a star and moon design. Lightweight and breathable, it's perfect for stroller rides, tummy time, or cozy snuggles while sharing a story. Next, I'm adding a soft, glowing moon that gently changes through its phases, from crescent to full moon. It's the perfect nightlight to add a charming, soothing glow to any nursery or playroom. Wrap your little one in soft, breathable, organic cotton pajamas, perfect for snuggling into a peaceful bedtime routine. The gentle moon phase pattern adds a charming touch, while the diagonal zipper makes diaper changes easy. Non-slip grips keep tiny feet steady during play and rest. This super soft bunny is inspired by our friend in Goodnight Moon. It's a cuddly companion perfect for playtime, story time, and comforting snuggles throughout the day. A tiny red balloon stitched onto its pajamas is a sweet nod to the one quietly floating in the great green room. Next, I designed this cozy quote card to capture the gentle feel of Goodnight Moon. It fits perfectly in a 5x7 frame. The one I'm using is from Marshall's, and I love it because it closely resembles the frames that we find in the book's nursery. You can find the free printable linked in the description box below. This classic board book features the gentle bedtime story that has soothed generations. Durable and easy for little hands to hold, it's the perfect start to a calming nighttime routine. To make your basket even more personal, here are a few extra gift ideas inspired by the little details tucked throughout. Add a soft kitten plush, just like the one quietly curled up in the great green room. A sweet little comb and brush set fits right in, similar to the ones found on the table. Include a soft-colored bowl and spoon as a nod to the bowl of mush, a playful detail from the story. A classic toy telephone, just like the one on the bedside table, adds charm and imagination. These soft newborn mittens help protect little faces from scratches, a sweet and practical addition. Here's how it all came together. a cozy basket inspired by a classic, filled with thoughtful touches for baby and family. Don't forget, you can download the free quote card from the description to add a special finishing touch to your gift. You can find the links for many of the items that I used in the description below. If you choose to shop through those links, I may earn a small commission. Thank you for helping support my channel in this small way. This beautiful basket was inspired by a viewer who had suggested Goodnight Moon. Thank you for the idea. If you have a favorite book you'd love to see turned into a gift pairing, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Good day and good night, friends.